and we will win this war. Too many problems, not enough solutions, all in the equation, but you're nothing but a nuisance. A nuisance. We're gonna change your mind. Look inside yourself and find hate, find fear. Your life is over here. You want to fade from time, reaching out from the inside your face. Well, it'll disappear with years. In a dying world,
Freunde, jetzt geht's das erste Mal freie Fahrer los. Ich bin echt gespannt. Es zieht langsam auf.
Things we can't afford. You must find a way to break down this door, and you'll find yourself in a brighter world. We're gonna change your mind. Look inside yourself and find hate, find fear. Your life is over here. You want to fade from time, reaching out from the inside your face. Well, it'll disappear with years. Wide awake, I dream of a place where we used to live. Our situations were irrelevant. Don't push your problems on me now. I'll push them back till you fall. I'll push them back till you fall. You must find a way to break down this door. Then you'll find yourself in a brighter world. We're gonna change your mind. Look inside yourself and find hate, find fear. Your life is over here. You want to fade from time, reaching out from the inside your face. Well, it'll disappear with years. We're gonna change your mind. Look inside yourself and find hate, find fear. Your life is over here.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night. Trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night. Trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet
I said
life.
if you could have the money and the fame, have a couple planes in your name, I'm popping a champagne. You buy a big house and a couple of whips and cash a couple of your chips for a closet of kicks. I'd have every Jordan ever made, so every day I could have a different pair. I wanted to be displayed. I would have my bed 10 times bigger than me, and a Hawaiian punch mountain that's bigger than these. I would buy a golf course and a court for all sports. Host the Final Four while I'm eating 4 course. Romping outdoors, playing polo in a Porsche. And of course it ain't a race when you own every horse. I'd have a guest house for the guys with me, up in Shy City where we sit in sky pretty. I'm just trying to catch a flight and make it in time. You could say I got a fly state of mind.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night. Trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night. Trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night. Trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night. Trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. wanna discover that Natalie Portman is under my covers. Pull a blank check, get a water slide from my room to the pool. And I ain't worried about school, I'll take a paycheck and buy a couple of A's so my grades will amaze. Looking like I was Harvard made, sexy made, yes. And I got places to be and seen. It's a magazine, rolling in a limousine. I got people to do, a couple things to see. Kick it at a mansion, partying with Charlie Sheen. I'd hit the studio with Kanye, make a couple hits while we sipping Bombay. Make another trip to kick it with Dr. Dre, then get hella jet lag from flying the whole day.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back all in one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back all in one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
See, I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back all in one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back all in one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back all in one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be